Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family while studying abroad with Geico detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your family while studying abroad, begin by researching international health insurance options. Look for policies specifically designed for students studying overseas. Consider coverage that includes medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and stolen possessions. Once you've identified suitable options, compare the benefits and premiums of each policy. Select a plan that offers comprehensive coverage for your specific needs. Next, ensure that your family members are included in your insurance plan if they are traveling with you. Reach out to your insurance provider to confirm that your coverage extends to your host country. Familiarize yourself with local healthcare services in your destination. Know how to access these services in case of an emergency. Make a list of essential contact numbers, including the local emergency services, your insurance provider, and the nearest hospital. Additionally, set up a communication plan with your family back home. Establish regular check-ins to provide updates on your well-being. Prioritize safety by staying aware of local customs and laws. Avoid risky areas, especially after dark, and remain vigilant at all times. Keep important documents, like your passport and insurance information, stored securely. Consider using a digital wallet or app to easily access these documents on the go. If possible, enroll in a local safety program or workshop that outlines emergency procedures in your area. Join student groups or local community organizations to build a support network. This network can provide valuable resources and advice for navigating life abroad. Lastly, maintain a healthy lifestyle to support your overall well-being. Balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep can bolster your resilience. By taking these steps, you can help ensure your family's safety while you pursue your studies abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.